Hello friends, welcome to all of you Shopping Idea YouTube channel. This video is about us. In today's video, we are going to tell you about Shopping Idea, a product review and products have been created to give suggestions. Through this YouTube channel, we keep informing our visitors about new products and also give advice to buy the best stuff. Here we help our visitors to buy products online. We save our visitors time by sharing premium quality products so that online visitor can buy good stuff in less time. The purpose of this YouTube channel is to help you make the best buying decisions for you and your family. If you like this Shopping Idea YouTube channel or it is beneficial for you, then do subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you want, you can follow us on other social media from the link given in the description. Thank you. Similarly, stay tuned on this YouTube channel.